Welcome, today we're going to show you how to change formation in Fantasy Premier League. So if you want to change the team formation or players formation on the app, all you need to do is to first make sure that the app is fully updated. After that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. So sign in with your email and password. After that, you need to go to Fantasy section, then you need to go to pick team as see from here. So from the pick team option, you need to pick any player that you want to change the formation. So after you do so, as see from here, I picked my player. You can now actually substitute him from here, and now you can actually just change your team from here using that player. So you can add the player to your team, or you can change the formation by doing that. So this is actually how you change your formation. So I'll see after you choose the player, you can now change the formation for the players. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.